Hey everybody, so I have a quick stationery and craft haul on a budget. I've had these things for a little while now and I just wanted to share them with you. Alrighty, so I went to Dollar Tree. I got these little note pads here at Dollar Tree. Okay, so I don't really necessarily like putting to-do lists and stuff in my journals, but I will probably put something like this in the journal, strangely enough. And this was $1.25, and I thought it was really cute. So they had a few different styles and colors, and then this one has the boxes. So for $1.25, that's not too bad. I thought that was really cute, and then I love this bright color here. Okay, very cute. And this one doesn't have the boxes, but it does have like the designs on the paper. So I thought that was nice. So I'll probably stick these one of each in a journal, maybe. Alrighty, and then I went to Home Goods. I was looking for the Lectrum journals. I did not find any Lectrum journals. I think that is probably over, unless not they bring out another batch. I haven't found any in weeks. So I did grab some other stuff though. So I saw this watercolor set here. It has apparently it says 30 colors. Now I have a watercolor set, but it doesn't have that many colors in it. So this was $4.99 at Home Goods, y'all. And it comes with a watercolor pad and a water brush. Okay. So let's see here. See, that's what it comes with there. I didn't open it. It's been sitting in my bag since I got it. Alrighty. And then the next thing I grabbed was this sticker book. Alright, this was $5.99. And it's like a planner. Like I'm gonna use it for my planner and journals. This is probably more for planners, but we make things work for different things. So I'm going to use this probably in my journals and my planner. Okay, they had a couple of different versions of this, but I like this particular one. It was $5.99, and it's pretty cute. It has some cute stickers in here. I only have a few like planner sticker books when I was doing the Happy Planner, and I put them away. So and a lot of them don't go with what I'm doing now. So these are kind of sort of generic enough. That I can use them in like my sort of random planners and journals and stuff. So these are pretty cute for $5.99. So that's not too bad. Okay, $5.99. I grabbed that. And then the last thing that I got was these puffy, I guess you could call them puffy stickers. Again, I shouldn't say I'm a fan of puppy stickers, but I literally have, I have a couple hundred stickers, probably easy, maybe more. And I don't really need stickers, but a lot of the stickers I have are more for journals, like like junk journals and art journals kind of stuff. I have a few things like I mentioned for like my ecosystem and for my planner and stuff. So I thought I could probably use these for both. And these were $4.99. These are really cute. Let me see here. Let's see. Can I show them to you? I have to turn off the focus there so we can kind of look at them up close here. All right, that's what they look like. All right, really cute. I thought they were fun. I don't know. You look like you get like three pages in here, 3 or 4 pages. So they're pretty cute, nice and vibrant. So I definitely will probably use these in junk journals and even my art journals. Because sometimes I just like to grab a sticker and put it on there. But I thought they were really cute for the price. So they had a lot of pretty cute items in Home Goods for crafting and even stationery. So if you are looking for some stationery on the budget, Dollar Tree and Home Goods, has some good stuff. So definitely check it out. I just wanted to share that.